Hello shoppers! Today in this video I'm going to present and to show you how the air fryer from Chefree works, what we can do with it, my honest thoughts about it, and let's get into the video. So this is the air fryer. Now it's plugged in, so basically what I'm going to do now, I'll show you the menu of the air fryer. So in order to start the air fryer, we just press the start button, and the air fryer automatically gets into the default mode, which is 175 degrees Celsius with 15 minutes. After that, we have here some of the options. So this is the menu, and you are choosing from the menu. It has the air fry, bake, air roast, grill, reheat, and dehydrate. Now you can do manually adjust the temperature from here and the timing from here. Okay, so the air fryer has the temperature range from 50 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius, suitable for dehydration and suitable for air roasting or grills as well. So the air fryer comes with an instruction manual, which is very important to read it before using, and also with some of the warnings that you have to check it out. Now inside, basically what we have, the air fryer is the main unit. Here inside we have the actual basket, and inside the main unit it comes the accessories. This is the bread rack. Basically you can do toasts, and this is the crisp attachment. Basically you can put it here, so you have that air circulating inside, which is amazing for a grill or a roast. The air fryer is very easy to use. Basically you take the basket, you put it inside, and until it clicks, so it's ready to go. The air fryer is in my kitchen, and I want to say that it has an amazing design, which is minimalistic and fit in any kitchen. It doesn't take a lot of space, and also I like the capacity. So look how big this basket is. I'll fit some of the potatoes and some mushrooms inside. I'm going to show you how long it takes and how it crisps up. First thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my potatoes inside the basket. So I literally don't put any oil, anything. So I'm just dropping them inside here. The potatoes are ready to cook. So basically I didn't put any oil, as I mentioned, neither salt. I'm going to add it later. So I'm placing the basket inside the air fryer. So as soon as it's inside, it just opens the menu. You click power button, and you are choosing from the option air fry. So air fry, it will give you 200 degrees Celsius at 20 minutes. So I do believe that it's enough. So I'll be starting now the program, and I leave the potatoes to cook. A very interesting feature that this air fryer has, it's actually the light. So you can switch on the light and you can see your food inside. So normally what it will happen, basically after the timer is finishing, you will hear a beep. So then your food is ready to remove from the air fryer. So now the food is ready to be removed. And this is what we have inside. So this is how a potato looks from the air fryer. So it's very crunchy on the outside, and it's also very soft on the inside. Here are also the mushrooms after 20 minutes. As you can see, they are perfectly done and ready to be served. So this is what the Chefree air fryer can do, and actually can do many other things, but I tested them on potatoes and on mushrooms, and I do want to say that I'm quite impressed with the result, because it's quick, no oil required, so less calories, more healthy, and so on. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. And to answer the question, do I recommend this air fryer? Yes, of course I do, because it does a great job. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.